Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create our first component and a small project that is going to be a counter app. So let's go to Visual Studio Code and let me open the new command prompt. Okay. So inside the terminal, I'll open, take a option of command prompt, and we need to go inside this app folder. So I'll type cd src tab and hit enter. Cd and let's type app and hit enter. Okay, now we are inside the app folder. So let me just clear it out to CLS, and here I'm going to type ng generate. Okay, G stands for generate, and we need to write the name of the component, which is going to be counter hyphen app. Okay, once I hit enter, so inside the app folder you will see a folder which is going to be called as counter app. Okay, so ng generate and the name of the component that is going to be counter app. So let's hit enter. Okay, one second. Ng generate component, and I think and the name of the component. Okay, so counter app. Let's hit enter. So I forgot the C. Sorry. So now, so ng generate component. Okay, ng generate component and the name of the component. And let's clear this out. So here is the folder which is having all these files. So we have HTML file where we will show all the HTML. Okay, and then we have this counter app TS. So here we are going to write the function which we wanted to display, which we wanted to execute. Okay, so right now this is a counter app, so we can write a function for adding, okay, for subtracting, for resetting the value. Okay, so let me close this, and here inside the counter app ts file, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an initial value that is going to be 0. Okay, and then okay, it is giving me an option. So here instead of increment I'll say add. Okay, and sorry, here this dot val plus plus. Okay, so what this means is like this dot val equals to this dot val plus 1. Okay, this means, sorry, this is similar to this one. Okay, so it is adding the 1 to this value. Okay, so let me keep the shorthand. Okay, and then we need subtract. Okay, so let's add a subtract. So it is already giving me the option, so I'll say subtract, and we are going to do a minus. Okay, then what else we need the reset. Okay, so reset, in this case the value will be 0. Okay, save this. So this is done. Add, subtract, and reset. Now inside the HTML, here let me just add a div, and inside the div, here what I'm going to do is here I'll take a button. Okay, button. Okay, and inside the button I'm going to say I'll take interpolation. Okay, and here I'm going to pass the value. Okay, so that we can see the value what it is. And now it is giving me that increment, but we have given the name as button. So for clicking the button, I'll say click, and then here I'm going to say equal to add. Okay, and this way we need to call the function, and here I'm going to say add. Okay, sorry, add. So this is the button for add. Let's duplicate this twice, and here it should be subtract. Okay, and this should be reset. That's done. Styling we will do in the next video. okay, where I'll be installing Tailwind CSS inside Angular app. So that we will see in the next video. But now let's finish this. So now I want to show this on the browser. Right now, you won't see anything. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to we need to go to the main app, which is I think app.html. Okay, so here, not app.html, yeah, app.html. Yeah, this is the HTML which we need to remove it because we don't require this. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep this router outlet and everything I'm going to delete it. So let's just delete everything. Okay, just keep the router hyphen outlet, and here, okay, what I'm going to do is let's go to app ts and let's copy this selector. We need to copy this selector, and here app, okay, it is giving me the option. Okay, save this. So if you go to app.ts, okay, if you go to app.ts, so here it is imported this counter app. So basically, when you add this app counter, okay, so you need to import this counter app inside this, okay, this app.ts. Otherwise, it won't show, it will give an error. So make sure that you need to import here. It is auto imported, but if not, then you need to import like this, import counter app from counter app. And here, after the router outlet, you need to define it. Okay, so this is done. Now let's go to the browser and let's see. Okay, still it is not showing me. What else we need to do in app.html? I've shown this. Here also we have done it. Then what is the, okay, one second, we need, I just stop this, clear this out, and let's try it again. ng serve, sorry, ngs space hyphen o. So it will open that. Okay, so it is showing me, okay, everything is added. So here in the counter app, I'll say subtract, and here we are going to say reset. Okay, save this, go back. So now if I click here, so it will add the values. Okay, and if I do a subtract, it will subtract, and it will do a reset. Okay, so if you notice, if I'm adding and if I'm subtracting, so it is giving me the minus values also. So this should not happen. So here in counter app ts, what I'm going to do is here I need to add a condition that if, okay, it's already written there. So if value is greater than 0, only then, okay, this will prevent the negative. Okay, fine. Oh, no, 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 no. I just want to show this one. Okay, save this. Now if I refresh and if I add and if I subtract, so it won't go below 0. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so we have successfully created our basic counter app. In the next video, we are going to do some styling for this app using Tailwind CSS. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.